Alright guys, the part has finally arrived. I have been grounded for almost a month. Well, pretty much a month. Because, well, the last video you saw, I had the engine failure. This was the reason why. Of course, I called my dealer. He didn't have the part. I called another dealer down in the States. He didn't have it. So it had to come all the way from Polini in Italy. I really hope it's the right one. So, here we go. I hope it's it. Look at that. That's what I needed. Yeah, so, yeah, this is the old one. You can hear the inside. So the inside of the baffle came loose, worn. I don't know really what the cause was, but all of the wadding inside the silencer jammed up in the tailpipe, bogged down the engine, which caused my engine failure. So I had to order this part. Came all the, ooh, sounds good, all the way from Polini, brand spanking new. Okay, we're gonna get this back together, get back in the air as soon as possible. Let's do it. Check, check. Alright, so I think we got everything fixed up. We got it into my new exhaust all the way from Italia. I did learn that I had put in the wrong type of fuel line. So now this stuff is like proper fuel line, which is really bendy and rubbery, easy to pinch off. And if I need to use that, turn off my engine. Fixed up the electrical. We're ready to go, man. She's running good. Everything seems to be running in tip-top shape. Back up for a little bit of altitude therapy. Alright, buzz the little island here. So I got to cross this lake, so I got to gain some altitude before we do the big crossing. Ah, what a beautiful morning. Need more altitude yet before I can cross that. So maybe I'll just fly around instead. See, that's the decisions you have to make. Am I gonna fly across that water? Well, what if my engine putters out when I get 3/4 of the way? That'd be just bad voodoo. I'd be swimming, man. So for those of you who don't know Alberta, there's not too many big natural lakes. So this one here is a man-made lake. You can see right now in the springtime the levels are dropped right down in preparation for the flooding. And so, but this is usually all full. Da, 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 da. All right, guys. Well, it looks like everything is running perfect. Knock on wood. So, we are in for a summer of flying. Tune in next time, guys. Fly safe.